maps is kind of shit in Santorini. ऐसी roads दिखा रहा है जो exist ही नहीं करती है. And I mean, our stay is amazing, but we are lost. We want to get back to our car. और हमें पता ही नहीं हमें कहाँ जाना है. I don't think ये थी. Are you sure? Okay, let's go. Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today we are going to Santorini for Wade's first birthday. यहाँ पे हमने पार्क कर लिया है, पार्किंग जोन में टिकट बुक करके, एंड आवर लगेज. सो गाड़ी पार्क करके हम चले हैं एयरपोर्ट की तरफ. सो हमने बुक करी थी कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट जिसका लेओवर था ऑलमोस्ट 5 to 6 आवर्स एंड हमारे घर से म्यूनिख था 2 आवर्स. सो वी थॉट इट इज़ मच बेटर टू ड्राइव अपने खुद के कंफर्ट पे. और फिर हमने गाड़ी पार्क कर ली थोड़ी सी दूर बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली एयरपोर्ट पार्किंग काफ़ी महंगी होती है, और वहाँ से शटल लेके यहाँ आए. Okay, so we are already overtired and the flight is 1 hour late, and this is our luggage, our porter. Yay, after 1 hour finally.
And here is my little one with me. Hi Ved, say hi. Say hi.
We have to reach here by 8:30 and we are reaching at 10:30.
Yes. We are a little bit tired. So is my wife.
Finally. This is the room. It is so huge. Oh my god. I did not think कि इतना बड़ा होगा. But yeah, it's amazing, right? So this here is a little kitchen. And yeah, I think it's very useful with the baby for sure. This is all the living room.
Say hi to mom.
Hey! And then we go in here. This here is the bedroom. Wow, with some bathrobes and fancy stuff. Then we have, wow, wait. We have a little toilet here. And then this is the bathroom. Also a really fancy tub, I would say, for sure. Yeah, isn't it huge? Okay, and then apart from this, we also have like our own pool. I'll show it to you later.
Me time. No. It's us time. Cheers.
Yeah. Cheers. And this is how you travel Santorini in the baby carrier. I think the most difficult part, अपना stay घूमो जाना, because now we are in absolutely opposite direction. We parked somewhere there, और वहाँ से यहाँ तक तो stroller में आने लायक था. But the route ahead is something like this, and I would probably not prefer it in a stroller. तो अब हम वेद को उठाएंगे.
The way to where?
यहाँ से तो हाइकिंग है पूरा, बट इट्स अ नाइस व्यू. आई डोंट थिंक हम वेद के साथ इतना लंबा हाइक कर सकते हैं. After this, we went to a supermarket for some grocery shopping. This is one of the biggest supermarkets in Centaurni. They had such a great collection of stuff. They even had fresh bakery products, and apart from that, they even had these fresh dishes that you could just buy. They heat it up and give it to you. So we just came back from the supermarket. I think इससे पहले हम जहाँ भी गए was a complete rip off. We bought so much of stuff, and it has like our lunch, which has a salad, which has moussaka, which has all the wonderful stuff, and it's all fresh. And we have really like best baked fresh bread as well, and everything in our bill was like 15 euros, which is amazing क्योंकि हम कहीं बाहर खाने जाते तो हमारा सिर्फ एक डिश का ये बिल होता. I love it. And yes, definitely go to supermarkets, proper supermarkets. The name is I'm gonna put it up here somewhere. Yeah. Happy baby? No, happy wife, happy baby, happy.
Happy baby, happy wife.
Actually.
And then
happy
you have a
baby.
husband has a happy life.
That's true. Cooking khichdi for Ved, I carried that from Germany, and I also carried jeera and my baby friendly garam masala.